In our last video, we were discussing about the time filter criteria as to filter the logs or system logs or application log based on time criteria. So I was doing a thing incorrect. The time which I was typing, it was not in the time. The type was not the time type. It was only a string, and so it was giving me an error. Okay, so right now what we will do is we will first of all let's store something time variable first, okay, by using the get date commandlet, and because that will give you object which will be in time format, so we can use it as a time variable. Okay, so let us suppose that we want data uh, after April 22. Okay, I'm just storing this time variable. Okay. The output of this get date commandlet into this April 22, and this will be the type of this will be the time. Okay, now I want to get all the data before April 25, so I'm making two variables. What these variables will do is to value of get date time format. You can see what I'm doing. Okay, let me print you the value. It is storing the get date, the date in this format. So right now let's use this thing, these variables. Suppose I want to get uh, event log, okay, of application or system, whatever I want, and I want um, entry type. So I want all the logs, error logs, suppose, okay, error logs which are which have occurred after April 22. Sorry, let me use a parameter first. After April 22 and have occurred before April 25. See, it is giving me the details of everything, which all the logs which are error type, and these are application logs. Error type, and these logs have occurred after 22nd April and before 24th April. So you can see the starting time is 22 and the end time is 24, right? You can also use, this is system, sorry, this is application. The log event log type is application. What if I want system details of system logs? Then also you can use the same formula. Okay, see, it is giving everything. Okay, you can see the last date is the starting date is 22 April and the end date is 24 April. So it is giving entry type as this. Now suppose if you want entry type as information, so let us check whether it is giving it or not. Say it is giving. What if you want entry type as warning? See, it is giving. Okay, so by this way we can also filter the logs based on date. Okay? So it is one of the most very powerful commandlet. PowerShell is very powerful in filtering these data by using various commandlets. Okay? So I hope you have enjoyed the small couple of videos. These are there are, I think, 7 to 8 videos I have made, and I think you will enjoy. And if you have really any doubts, you want to discuss me anything on event log, then you can write in the comments section. Yeah.